Okay, so I'm going to continue with this drainage from the second level to the first level, okay? So all of this is finished on the second level going down to the first level. All of this, there's a connection here. Let's just take a look. Let's go back. Second level. Let's go here. Overall. So let's filter all of this out. Let's look at the waste. Okay, so I am okay. So what I need to do is connect into this riser. I'm going to create a riser here. And on the first level, this is the first level elbow. So let's take a look at that. It should highlight where we are here. Okay. So what I need to do is collect all the drainage of these 4 lavatories and go down in this area. Let's go back to the first level and look at a section. So what I need to do is create that riser. And let's go here. Let's go back. Let's go to the second level, section 2, and it is here. Okay, I'm going to erase this guy and create this riser just by extending this pipe up to about right here. Okay, let's go to second level to make sure we have it. Okay, so it's going to be here. So now what I need to do is go to each of the 4 lavatories and create a system where I'm going to connect into this riser. Okay, create a drainage system. But first I need to rotate. Let's go here, rotate 90, come back here and look at that section view. And here's our lavatory. Let's go down, no slope. Let's go here. I think I'm gonna change this to this and go down. Oh, wait a minute, I think I can go in the make a P-trap here. I think I can continue going into this this wall cavity. Let's go to the second level and just take a look. No slope. Let's go down, and I need to connect into that. So let's see if I can get some construction lines. Let's go out here. Let's go here. I don't know what that was, but I need to create some kind of a, okay, here we go. Just need something that's gonna align it up with, okay? And we use this alignment tool here and here. Now I know that the pipe coming from these 4 are going to be in line with the riser. So I can create that. So let's go to second lavatory. Okay. That's a little high. Let's go second 2-inch. Okay, I need to make that a 2-inch. Let's go 2-inch. Okay. And probably it's gonna come down. Let's just have it come down just a little bit. Okay. And So now we can create our second. Let's put a P-trap on it. And can I do another detail line? That looks like that's in the center. Okay. And let's align this one and that one. Okay. Second level. Let's go back. Do the same thing. Only what I need to do is change that 1/2 inch, 1 1/2 inch to a 2 inch here. I don't know if I did that on the first one or the second one. Let's go second. Did I do it here? Nope. That's a 1 1/2. So, okay, now it's a 2. And the last one we do, okay. Let's do the same thing. Oh no, I have to make sure. Man, I'm really not paying attention. You see? I have to change all of that. Let's go to the overall 3D view. Let's go up here. That should be PVC. Okay. So, tab. Oh, we're here. Let's see. Let's go here. Let's see what's going to happen. Okay. Okay. PVC. Yeah, man. Okay. Copper. PVC. Okay. Let's give any kind of material for the fittings. Nope. Okay, so I'm having to do this because I wasn't paying attention. Here. Here. There's another one, right? Oh. Okay, so we go back. Sanitary. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Let's go back to second level. Let's get it. And we're here. Make sure that we're on the system that we need. Let's go here and create our P-trap again. And 2 inch. Okay. No construction line. Okay, so let's do a detail line. That one. And now we can align. Okay, so I think we got all 4 of them. And so let's do this. See if I have enough room. Nope. Not enough room. Let's make this guy go over to the left a little bit. Wow. Okay. So yeah. I think I can swap this out. That might be better. Okay, I'll leave it like that. And then same here, here. Not enough room, or the angle is all messed up. I think I know what's going on. Maybe I didn't align that one with it. So this one should be okay. Yeah, I think this one is lower than it should be. Section. Yeah. Okay, let's go up, up, up. Nope. Okay, let's draw a detail line again. And now we can align this one and that one. Erase our detail line. Go back to the second level and make that connection. Okay, and we can kind of move these over a little. Well, I think I'm going to change this one and control that guy also and go back to sanitary. Okay, let's move these over a little bit. So they're in the wall. Okay, well, I just want to make the connection and let the contractor do the rest of it. I mean, we're just using Revit as a as graphics, so we don't have to be exact. Let's go to our overall view so I can make this elbow. And we are here, and there. And now we're going down. And another connection. We can connect here, here. Nope. Okay, so I think that what I'll do, I'll come back to this the next time and finish making these changes, okay? All right, guys, I will talk to you guys later.